Hi friends, today video about new Xperia 1 Mark IV. Sony's traditional Xperia camera phone is back, and it looks better than ever. The new Xperia 1 Mark IV features a 4K display on top of Qualcomm's most powerful Snapdragon chipset 8 Gen 1, as well as one of the most exciting camera setups, with one-of-a-kind continuous optical zoom. All of this is wrapped up in one of the most fashionable designs on the market today. The Xperia shape carries on in the Xperia 1 Mark IV, thanks to Sony's design consistency. For on-the-go photography, a water-resistant smartphone with a good grip. Throughout the last few years, this has been the situation. The 4K 120Hz HDR OLED is staying, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset has been improved. A larger battery, better speakers with more bass, and a revamped rear panel with Gorilla Glass Victus are among the other major enhancements. The camera has undergone two significant upgrades, and most users will begin there. A 12MP telephoto camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 12MP primary camera, and a 2F camera remain. However, the zoom camera now delivers step-less continuous optical zoom between 85mm and 125mm, 3.5x 5.2x over the main 24mm camera. All rear cameras now have flawless eye, steady shot, IAF, real-time multi-frame stacking, and real-time object tracking can also offer a large dynamic range for both HDR and SDR films. Live streaming and unedited material are two aspects Sony wants to emphasize with the Xperia 1 Mark IV flagship this year. Sony has struck an exclusive partnership with YouTube, allowing owners of the Xperia 1 Mark IV to live stream on the platform even if they don't have the requisite number of subscribers. If you have the proper cable to connect your Sony Alpha camera to your Xperia smartphone, you can even broadcast. It comes with a hardware two-step shutter, micro SD card, a 3.5mm audio plug, and additional Sony extras, among other things. New gaming features include support for 240Hz blur reduction, 120Hz HRR, and game streaming options. A new Music Pro Premium service is also available for recording singing and/or instruments and processing them in the cloud for studio-like quality. Well, nothing is perfect, and there is one clear missing, which is a charger. A cable, too. Sony has not only gone the environmentally friendly route, but it has also removed the charger and connection from the box. Because of this, the Xperia 1 Mark IV comes packaged in an extremely thin paper box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.